My name is Fakhruddin, number metric F24A1223. Today, we're standing by a lake that was once clean and beautiful, but now it's dry because pollution. Alright, as you can see, the lake is not beautiful because many trash and whatever. Alright, lake pollution is a global issue that affect not only wildlife but also human life. In this video, we can explore the cause, effect, and solution by lake and water pollution. Hi, man.
Hi.
Alright. Can you explain what causes and effect the lake?
As you can see, there are several factors from why this lake is like this. Before it's clean, one of it is, if you can see here, it's direct dumping garbage into the lake. Also, if you can see around it, there's a lot of agricultural activity. So the use of chemicals and pesticide, also the fertilizer, it will affect all this lake area. And then you ask for the effects. The effects is going both ways. Either us, humans, and also the habitats. Fish and water birds can lose their habitats. Also, some animal like fish, even the cow that drink from this lake will bring the disease to us human when we consume them as a food. So it really is our important to bring back this lake because, to make it beautiful again.
That's all.
That's all.
Thank you. Hi, Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Man, can you introduce yourself and what you do here, and you can give a solution and action. As you can see, the lake is not good. It smells bad.
It's my bad.
Okay.
Okay, my name is Nureli Fariza. You can call me Ali. And then I just walking here, but I saw the lake was polluted. So as we as a student, I think we all have a responsibility to restore our lake. So one of thing that we can do, first we need to disposing of waste properly. So as you can see, agriculture here, we need to reduce the uses of chemicals in agriculture. So and the last one, I think we need to enforcing the law of agriculture. So the lake will become better. And don't forget that awareness also crucial. If people know the responsibility, how important the lake was towards earth and environment, I think they will know how to appreciate it and make them clean. So technologies like water treatment and ecosystem restoration can help to reduce the polluted of our lake. That's all from me.
Okay. Hi, Assalamualaikum.
Hello.
Can you intro yourself and what are you doing here, and what your opinion about water pollution?
My name is Norma Shah. My opinion about water pollution is not an environmental issue but also an health and economy issue. There's some solution that we can take, which is spread awareness with your friends and family. Also do cleanup activities, and second, reduce harmful pollutant use. Thank you.
Okay.